Hello, and welcome to the hsebox.com channel. This video is part of a series of videos dedicated to simplifying the study for the Nebosh exam, or just to remember some international concepts related to health and safety at work. We take the opportunity to inform you that we do not represent nor intended to represent any institution linked to Nebosh certification. Please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. We are happy to help you. As a safety professional, you should review this video once in a while, which would help you to keep fresh the most important core information for your daily roles, activity, and responsibilities. So let's get started. Element 4: Promoting a positive health and safety culture. Part 1. What are the benefits of a positive culture?
The benefits of a positive culture in the organization are: increased levels of compliance with rules and procedure, increased staff morale, reduced staff complaints, reduced staff turnover, reduced absenteeism, reduced sickness and accident rates.
What is the disadvantage of a negative culture?
The disadvantage of a negative culture in the organization are: job insecurity, reorganizations, poor example set by management, poor management decision making, inadequate supervision, poor working conditions.
What are the internal influences on health and safety?
The internal factors that may influence health and safety performance are: competence, commitment and control, cooperation, communication, production/service demands.
What are the external influences on health and safety?
The external factors that may influence health and safety performance are: society expectations, political priorities, legislation and enforcement, national or international agencies, pressure groups, insurance companies, workers' unions, stakeholders, economic conditions.
What are the more effective measures to improve culture?
The most effective measures to improve the culture in your organization are: senior management commitment, ownership of health and safety at every level, effective communication and consultation, training for all levels of employee, shared perception of risks, standards of acceptable behavior, learning from experience through monitoring and review, balance between health and safety and production.
What are the personal factors that might place an individual at greater risk of harm while at work?
The most important personal factors that might place an individual at greater risk of harm while at work are: poor attitude, low motivation, physical capabilities, poor perception of risk, drugs or alcohol problems, age-related factors, medical problems, levels of training and experience.
Let's just have a deep focus on the following 3 personal factors: attitude, perception, motivation. Attitude can be defined as
the tendency to respond in a particular way in a given situation.
The factors that affect attitude are
background, personality, experience, training, competence, peer group pressure, management actions, culture of the organization.
perception can be defined as
the way that people interpret and make sense of presented information.
The factors which may affect perception are
the nature of the hazards, Previous experience. Overfamiliarity. The feeling of being in control. Level of training. Peer group pressure. Confidence in others' ability. Personal characteristics.
And motivation. Motivation is the driving force behind the way a person acts in order to achieve a goal. And what motivates people?
Reward. Fulfillment. Job satisfaction. Recognition. Peer approval. Threat of discipline.
Why a person may fail to comply with safety procedures?
The main reason why people fail to comply with safety procedures are lack of motivation, unrealistic working procedures, lack of management commitment, overfamiliarization, repetitive work leading to boredom, peer group pressure, inadequate supervision, fatigue and stress, lack of information, training, and consultation. Job insecurity.
What are the human error causes?
The most common human error are slips, lapses of attention, mistakes, violations.
How can we reduce human error?
The best strategies to reduce human error are skilled, competent workers, well-motivated employees, clear roles and lines of responsibility, adequate levels of supervision, clear information and instructions, drug and alcohol prevention policies, good environmental conditions, for example lighting, noise, avoiding monotonous work, breaks to avoid fatigue.
What are the best tools to promote safe behavior?
In order to promote safe behavior in the organization, we can improve discipline, reward, informing, facilitate safe behavior, train.
What means competence?
If someone is competent means he or she has sufficient knowledge, training, experience, and any other qualities to carry out their functions. It includes knowledge, skills, experience, training, recognition of limitations.
If you missed some information, you can review this video again, or just follow the link below in the description and you can download all information for free on our website www.hsebox.com. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe our channel, and give us your thumb up. Tell us your opinion. Thank you for watching, bye bye, see you soon.